Hi boys and girls, today's math lesson is going to be a little different. We are going to be looking at attributes of an object. An attribute is something you can use to describe something. For example, I have brown hair. Brown hair is an attribute of Miss Fraze. My shirt is blue, so blue is an attribute of my shirt. So I have something here, and it's one of my shoes. Now, I want you to look at this shoe. I'm going to turn it around, and I want you to think of what some of the attributes are of my shoe. How could you describe my shoe to someone who does not see it? Now, when I look at my shoe, I can see that it is a sandal. So I'm going to go ahead and write the attributes. It's a sandal. I also noticed that it has a zipper. And while it may be hard to tell, the color of it is green. And it has straps. So the attributes of my shoe that I've come up with are that it's a sandal, it has a zipper, it's green, and it has straps. So I'm going to say these attributes, and I want you to look at the shoes that you have. If you do not have shoes on right now because you are at home, go ahead and think about a pair of shoes that you do have. Just think of one pair and ask yourself if these shoes have these attributes. If I say an attribute that your shoe has, you're going to stand up. If your shoe does not have that attribute, you're going to stay seated. So, is your shoe a sandal? If it's a sandal, stand up. Okay, now sit back down if you stood up. Does your shoe have a zipper? If it does, stand up. If it does not, stay seated. Is your shoe green? If you have a green shoe on or are thinking of a green shoe, stand up. Okay, sit back down. Does your shoe have straps? If it has straps, stand up. If it does not, stay seated. Okay, you can stay, or you can all sit back down now if you're standing. We're going to be doing some work this week with shoes. So when you come to math lesson, you want to make sure you have shoes on or bring a shoe with you so that we can talk about shoes. There may be some days when you have to work with more than one pair of shoes, so you may have to look and see what shoes you have available. Hopefully you'll have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.